I want to give an update after we lost our eBay account. So we still don't have our eBay account, but we've made some progress on Shopify, so I'm going to share that with you. We lost our eBay account August 1st of 2023. We started a Shopify account between August 1st and August 9th. So our results are pretty good, so check those out. And also, I'm going to give you some ideas of what I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be continuing to edit the store to make it so people can easily browse and find what they're looking for. And I'm also going to start making blog posts on Shopify so that people will be able to be attracted to the store by search engine optimization, which I'm expected to show up on Google. So I'll keep you guys updated in later videos. This is where we're at so far. And so far up until November, I didn't do anything besides simply list products on Shopify, and we changed some links that link to eBay that now link to our Shopify listings.